Chicken chtkhara recipe. Welcome to my channel. Let's make delicious chicken chtkhara. First we take a chicken and added ginger garlic paste.
I don't wanna be too much, but I just wanna feel your love. I just wanna know.
Add red chili powder, salt, ginger dot, and garlic powder, dried up fenugreek, turmeric.
I'm losing my sanity. You taking me under. For you I surrender. You're making me land on other side of gravity.
Mixed well.
Boy, you got me under. Boy, you got me fond of. Yeah, boy, you got me in love.
Add chopped green chilies.
I wish you noticed me. I wish you knew the emotion provoked in me.
Add tomatoes.
Let me live again. I'll take no more from you.
Mixed well and leave for 1 hour.
You let me fly, you let me go. Oh, now you're gonna see.
Add oil in pan.
Go out on the weekend. You want me to
Add chopped onions for light brown. Add chicken. Cooked well.
I wanna be your fun girl tonight. I'll take you on the ride of your life. Don't ever stop. Give me your touch. Give me your love. Give it some more. I'm losing my sanity. You taking me under. For you I surrender. You're making me land on other side of gravity. Boy, you got me under. Boy, you got me fond of. Yeah, boy.
Add little bit more turmeric.
I can't ignore it. I wish you noticed me. I wish you knew the emotion provoked in me. Let me live. Let me live again. I'll take no more from you. You got my soul. Oh, you let me fly. You let me go. Oh, now you're gonna see it. Gonna see it clearly. Go out on the week.
Add brown onions in it.
You got my soul. Oh, you let me fly. You let me go. Oh, now you're gonna see it. Gonna see it clearly. Go out on the weekend. You want me, then you leave me.
Easy and delicious recipe for make. Delicious chtkhara chicken ready for eat. Thanks for watching.